Welcome to part 4 on how to build a computer. In this step I'll be showing you how to install the disk drives and put the SATA cables into the disk drives. You want your front cover on so you can measure out the disk drive so it's completely flat and not poking in, like you have to reach in quite far, and not poking out so you whack your elbow on it and break it. First thing you want to do is you want to get your DVD drive, this one, and then put it in the bottom slot and measure it out so it's completely flat in the case. And then what you want to do is you want to take 2 screws and put it in the back holes, like so. 2 screws. If I can find them, I'll put them down here somewhere. There we go. 2 screws. Like so. I've got the wrong 2. Bear with me a minute, I've lost my screws. Bear with me, I've lost my screw. Fuck. Right, it's going to be 1 screw. I've lost my other screw, so it's going to have to be 1. Now you want to put your 2 screws, but for me 1, into the disk drive, and then screw it nice and tight. When you get a chance of getting grip on it. 1 minute. I'm afraid it's going to be 1 screw in each one. For me anyway. You can use 2 screws for yourself. For me, I'm going to have to use 1, which is really pissing me off. And then once that's got a better grip, you just screw it nice and tight. And then you want to get your other one and put it in the top one, your overwriter disk drive. If it go in, I'm having a bit of trouble. Bear with me a minute, and now the first disk drive is done, you can take off the front cover and put on the second one. Because now you know how to line up the screws. Unfortunately, the disk drive is not connected. Yeah? Okay. And then you just put on your second screw. And then that's the second disk drive installed. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped.